Good morning, yogis. We are going to flow through a quick morning yoga vinyasa. So let's get started standing at the top of our mat. I don't want you guys to take a child's pose early. You'll be falling asleep on me. So feet together nicely, shoulders up and down the back. Pull your belly button in, tuck your tailbone under, and close your eyes to open up your feeling eyes. We're going to take a few nice deep belly breaths here, breathing out very loud through the mouth. So, when you're ready, on your inhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Full lungs. And exhale. Nice and loud for 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get those lungs as full as you can. And exhale. 3, 2, 1. One more. Inhale. 4, 5, 6. Full lungs. One more breath. And exhale. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, shake it out. Open your eyes. Just want to get some of that stale air out of the lungs after sleeping. Reach your palms up. Palms touch above head. Look up, stretch up out of the waist, and dive forward. Fold. Move nice and slow here if it's early. Shimmy, shake the knees if you need. Pull your belly button in. Bend into the knees as much as you need. And let's plant the palms and step back 1 foot at a time into plank pose. Low belly pulls in and up. Let's hold here for a few breaths, just warming up the body instantly here. Think about rolling your elbows in towards one another. Legs are strong. Come forward a little bit on the toes. Squeeze your elbows in and lower to the belly. Fingertips underneath the shoulders. Legs are strong so your kneecaps lift up. Baby cobra. Squeeze your elbows in. Lift your chest off the ground. Use a little help of the palms to come up a little bit higher. And exhale, release. 1 more. 2 more. Inhale, come up. Squeeze your elbows in. Look up. Last one. Inhale, baby cobra. Squeeze your elbows in. Legs are strong. Look up. Exhale, release. Press into the palms. Tuck the toes under. Either coming into knee plank or high plank. Hips lift up and back, down dog. Pedal out your feet in down dog, especially if it's early. My body is so tight in the morning. It's a lot different if I practice in the morning and if I practice in the evening. My body's just in a totally different place. So give yourself what you need here. We'll be in down dog for a few more breaths. Maybe shake your tail a little bit. Move the hips side to side. Shake the head yes and no. We take a nice deep inhale and exhale. And on your next inhale, step your right foot through low lunge. Straighten the right leg, bend into the left knee, spring up towards the top of your mat for a fold. Bend your knees as much as you need to here. Reverse your swan dive, palms touch above head, look up, and exhale, dive forward, flat back, hands plant. Right foot steps back, left foot meets it, down dog. Ripple forward through to your plank pose, and either taking a full vinyasa or modifying. So lowering to chaturanga, coming into baby cobra or up dog, and meeting in down dog. and breathe. Look forward, left foot steps through a low lunge. Straighten the left leg, bend into the right knee, and spring up towards the top of your mat for a fold. Reverse your swan dive. Palms reach up above head, look up, stretch up, and dive forward, hands plant. Left foot steps back, right foot meets it, down dog, and vinyasa plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Right leg rises this time and step it through low lunge. Straighten the right leg, bend the left knee, and spring up towards the top of your mat for a fold. Reverse your swan dive, palms touch above head. And exhale, swan dive forward, hands plant. Right foot steps back, left foot meets it, down dog, and vinyasa plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Left leg rises nice and high and steps through low lunge. Straighten your left leg, bend into your right knee, and spring up towards the top of your mat for a fold. Reverse your swan dive, palms touch above head. And exhale, dive forward, hands plant. Left foot steps back. Right foot meets it, down dog. And vinyasa plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Right leg rises and steps through low lunge. Straighten the right leg, bend the left knee, and spring up towards the top of your mat for a fold. Reverse your swan dive, palms touch above head. And exhale, dive forward, hands plant. Right foot steps back. Left foot meets it, down dog. And vinyasa plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Last one. Left leg rises and steps through low lunge. Straighten the left leg, bend the right knee, and spring up for a fold. Reverse your swan dive, palms touch. Exhale, dive forward, hands plant. Left foot steps back, right foot meets it, down dog. And vinyasa plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Breathe. This is a quick class, only 15 minutes. We got a lot to pack in to get you energized for your day. So let's keep moving here. Right leg rises and steps through crescent lunge. Left toes are tucked. Rise up. Palms face each other. Breathe here. Hands come to heart center. Focus about 3 feet in front of your toes. We're going to come into warrior 3. So, find a little bit of mobility here. And on your next inhale, straighten your right leg. Left leg lifts behind us. Parallel the hips. Bring your body down and leg up for your warrior 3 pose. Left leg is strong. Toes can be pointed or flexed. It's really yogi's choice. So do which variation feels right for you. Looking down and forward. Exhale, hands plant. Left leg lifts up a little bit higher for your standing splits. Head is heavy. Fold. Deep hamstring stretch. This would feel really good. Left foot steps back. Low lunge. Left hand plants. Right arm reaches up. Twist. Exhale, hands frame the right foot. Step back, down dog. Take a vinyasa or hold your dog for a few breaths. Yogi's choice, whatever you have energy for this morning. And left leg rises and steps through. Crescent lunge. Rise up. Palms face each other. Hands come to heart center. Shift the weight into your left foot, coming into that warrior three. So find your drishti gaze, looking at something that's not moving. And inhale, warrior three pose. Straighten your left leg. Right foot comes up behind us. This is a tricky transition. Body down, leg up. Your body should look like a capital letter T. Square off the hips. Lift your right leg up a little bit higher. And bring your body down a little bit more. Hold it. Back is flat. Hands plant. Lift your right leg up a little bit more. Standing splits. Head is heavy. Deep hamstring stretch in the left leg. Right toes step back. Low lunge. Right hand plants. Left arm reaches up. Twist. Look up. Left hand frames the left foot. Step back. Down dog. And take a vinyasa or skip it out. We'll do that sequence one more time. Moving one breath for each movement. Inhale, right leg rises and steps through. Crescent lunge. Rise up. Palms face each other. Hands come to heart center. Shift the weight into the right foot. Left leg rises, warrior three. Hands down, left leg up, standing split. Head is heavy. Left foot steps back. Left hand plants. Right arm reaches up, twist. Right hand frames the right foot. Step back, down dog. And vinyasa or skip it out. Left leg rises and steps through. Crescent lunge. Palms reach up and face each other. Hands at heart center. Body weight in the left foot. Step up, warrior three. You got it. This is a tricky balance. Hands come down. Right leg reaches up a little bit higher. Standing splits. Exhale, right foot steps back. Low lunge. Right hand down, left arm up, twist. Both hands frame the left foot. Step back, down dog, and this time let's all lower to our belly. Nice and slow. We're gonna take locust pose. A nice deep back bend to warm you up in the morning. So legs are strong, kneecaps lift up. Gaze is forward and down, so your neck is neutral. Palms reach back and face each other. Shoulder blades roll up and down the spine. Upper body lifts off the ground. Legs lift off the ground. Toes are pointed. Reach back. If this feels good, bring your palms together, interlace the fingers, and pull your chest open. Imagine I'm pulling your arms back behind you to open up your chest even more. Legs are strong. Hold it here and breathe. One more breath. Release, palms right underneath the shoulders. Keep all that strength in the legs. Let's push right up into our up dog. Inhale. And exhale, down dog. On your next inhale, knees come down. Let's take a seat. An easy pose. Legs are crossed. Sit up nice and straight. We'll take a twist, and this is where I will leave you. Left hand behind the back. Right hand to the left knee. Gaze over the left shoulder. Make this a strong twist. Use your tricep strength and your lats to really twist open, all while pulling your low belly in and up. I can really feel my arms and my back strength helping me twist deeper here. If your back is flat without keeping the left hand there, wrap your left hand behind your back and maybe catch a hold of your right inner thigh. Twist a little bit deeper. Release. Changing sides, left hand to right knee, right hand behind the back, gaze over the right shoulder. Use your arm strength to twist. So my left hand is really strong on my right knee, and I'm literally pulling myself into the twist deeper. Again, if you can keep the back flat without the hand planted, take the right hand behind your back, maybe catching the inside of the left thigh. Twist. Pull your low belly in. Make it nice and strong. And come back through center. This is where I will leave you today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for starting it with me. I hope to see you back soon, yogis. Namaste.